डीसीसी कमेटी रीऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है, पीसीसी कमेटी अभी नया बनेगा, कैंपेन कमेटी बना है, मैनिफेस्टो कमेटी बना है, हर कमिटीज बने हैं। अभी पूरा मैनिफेस्टो कमेटी पूरा टूर करेंगे और लोगों का राय मांगे पूछेंगे और गोवा के लोगों को क्या चाहिए वो कांग्रेस पार्टी देने के लिए तैयार है। तो इसीलिए दूसरे पार्टी छोटे मोटे पार्टी सब आ चुके हैं, टीएमसी, आप, जो भी दूसरे आरजी, बहुत सारे पार्टी क्या दे सकते हैं गोवा को वो लोग? क्या 20 सीट वो जीत सकते हैं? क्या एक सरकार बना सकते हैं? क्या वो क्यों आए हैं इधर? वो सिर्फ वोट डिवाइड करने के लिए आए हैं, बीजेपी को मदद करने के लिए आए हैं, तो कांग्रेस को हराने के लिए आए हैं। लेकिन कांग्रेस अभी मजबूत है और मुझे पूरा यकीन है हम साथ मिलकर अगर काम किया तो 100% इस बार पूरी बहुमत से कांग्रेस पार्टी आएगा और एक अच्छा सरकार इधर बनाएंगे। एंड वी शुड गिव अ न्यू विजन टू गोवा। एक नया राजनीति अभी हमको देना है, क्योंकि दिस काइंड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन गोवा दैट हैज टू बी स्टॉप्ड। फॉर दैट यू नीड अ स्टेबल स्ट्रॉन्ग गवर्नमेंट एंड गुड पॉलिसीज। वी हैव डिक्लेयर्ड ऑलरेडी लीनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स विल बी स्क्रैप्ड। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अनाउंस किया है वो 3 लीनियर प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो सब हम स्क्रैप करेंगे, गोवा के अंदर हम वो इधर लागू करने के लिए नहीं देंगे। इधर लोकायुक्त को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक अच्छा लोकायुक्त चाहिए गोवा को, उसको एक मजबूत करके एक नया लोकायुक्त एक्ट करके उनको मजबूत करने का एक वादा हम कर रहे हैं। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जो काम गोवा के चाहिए वो हम करने के लिए तैयार है। इसीलिए पहले हम इधर आल्डोना में अभी नया ब्लॉक कमेटी हुआ है, अभी बूथ कमेटी बनाना है और लोगों के पास जाना है। ऐसे मीटिंग्स आज हम क्यों रखे हैं? क्योंकि आपका राय क्या है वो सुनने के लिए हम रखे हैं। चिदम्बरम साहब इधर आने की जरूरत नहीं था, वो पंजे में आके निकल जा सकते थे वापस। क्यों इधर आए हैं? क्योंकि आपको साथ मिलना है, आपको देखना है, आपको सुनना है और आपका राय क्या है हमको भी उससे फीडबैक मिलता है। तो इसीलिए कुछ लोग अपने राय दिया है, हम और राय चाहिए। वी वांटेड मोर ऑफ योर वांटेड टू हियर मोर ऑफ योर ओपिनियन, बट नेवरदलेस लेट अस नाउ concentrate on the campaign. That all our Amarnath is there, Carlos is there, many other people are there. All of you work together. Go to the people together. Go house to house. We will launch a campaign soon. और घर घर को जाके पैम्पलेट देंगे, लोगों को बोलेंगे कि क्या कांग्रेस दे सकता है और क्या हुआ है इधर गोवा के। और we should win the hearts of the people. That can only happen if we go to the people, to the house. So, from our side, from Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, from AICC, we will give you full support. We will give you full strength to see that there is a strong Congress here and we take the issues to the people and we win the hearts of the people. तो वो करना है, तो इसीलिए हम इधर आए हैं और आपके साथ रहेंगे और आप आज से अपना काम शुरू करिए। Form the booth committees, identify people in the booth, make the list. I don't know how many active members you made. बताने कितना एक्टिव मेंबर्स हुआ है इधर? कितना किया एक्टिव मेंबर्स? एग्जैक्ट अभी हमारे लिस्ट के अंदर 200-250 दिख रहा है। मतलब एक बूथ में 4-5 लोग हैं, तो इसको एक बूथ में 10-10 लोग रहना, 400 लोग रहना और वो लोगों को एक प्रोग्राम करके कैंपेन लॉन्च करना है। तो इसीलिए हम करेंगे और मुझे यकीन है कि आज के बाद, इस दिन के बाद आप पूरा एक वॉर फुटिंग में, एक नया जोश के साथ, एक नई उम्मीद के साथ, एक नया दिशा लेकर आप लोगों के पास जाएंगे। इतना बोलते हुए मेरा भाषण खत्म करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय कांग्रेस।
Thank you, Mr. Dinesh. मागलो सर राजेश गिलानी जे हांगा आमचे मदीं आसात आनी मातशे स्टेजीर येवचे। Now I call upon Mr. Chidambaram to please say a few words.
Good evening to all of you. AICC in charge, Shri Ganesh Gundurao, PCC President, Shri Girish Chodankar, Working President, Shri Alexey Sequeira, CLP Leader and former Chief Minister, Shri Digambar Kamath, Srimati Sangeeta Parab, Chairman of the Media Department, Shri Amarnath Panjikar, Block President, Shri Ashwin what? D'Souza, Ashwin D'Souza, other friends on the stage, my dear friends of the Congress Party, Carlos Ferreira, the chairman of the legal cell, brothers and sisters. I'm sorry that many of you are standing with an umbrella under the tent which is leaking. We are here under the tent shed. I apologize for the inconvenience, but I'm very, very grateful that despite the threat of rain and actual rain, nearly 150, 160 people have turned up today. I'm very, very happy about that. Now, actually, according to Ashwin D'Souza, you have 300 active members. According to my list in the PCC office, 200 forms have been deposited there, but another 100 forms have to be deposited today or tomorrow morning. We're very happy that 300 active members have enrolled here, which means for 41 booths, you will have an average of 7 or 8 people per booth, and that is good enough to run an election campaign. Since it is raining, I'm going to keep my remarks very, very brief. First is, we are here to win an election. We are not here on a holiday. Dinesh and I have not come to Goa for a holiday. If after the Congress forms the government, you invite us to come for a holiday, we will come for a holiday. But today we have not come on a holiday. We have come to ensure that the party is battle ready to contest in all the 40 constituencies and win a majority and form the government. That is our goal. Now, I know many of you, the gentlemen here, that expressed regret about for 4 years ago what happened. For 4 years, nothing happened. All I can say is, I am as ashamed as you are, as apologetic as you are for what happened in the past. I know how ashamed and humiliated you are. The gentleman there said, when I go out and ask people vote, they say, why should we vote for you? Your candidate will defect to the BJP. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. It was very difficult to go out and ask anyone to support the Congress because they will turn around and say, why should I support you? Why should I vote for you? Your candidate will run away. Now, I'm sorry for that. The Congress party should have been more vigilant, more firm at that time. But I'm sorry about what happened. But I cannot change what happened. I cannot change history. That is a history. We will learn the lessons from history. Going forward, I assure you that that chapter, that shameful chapter, that despicable chapter of defections will be put an end to. There will be no more defections from the Congress party. We will ensure that nobody will defect from the Congress party. As we go along, I'll tell you later how we will ensure that. Now, the immediate task is to get the party ready. In Aldona, you lost the election in 2017. You lost the election in 2012. The same person has been the MLA for the last 10 years. He's been a BJP MLA. But I'm told for 10 years, He has not done much for Aldona. He is deeply unpopular, and we can win this constituency. If we all work unitedly, we can defeat a gentleman who's been there for 10 years as MLA. So we'll tell him, you have been very hardworking. Please don't take some rest for 5 or 10 years. And we will run the constituency. That's the goal that we have come to in Aldona. Now, we are not going to run this election from Delhi. We are not going to run this election from Punjab. We are going to run the election in the constituency. What does that mean? It means in Aldona, we will come back to you and ask you how the election should be conducted. What kind of a campaign? What kind of a poster? What kind of a banner? What kind of a pamphlet? How should the resources be spent? Should we do door-to-door campaigning? Should we do house-to-house campaigning? Should we hold street corner meetings? We will come back to you and ask you how you want to run the campaign in Aldona, and the campaign will be exactly what you say should be the campaign in Aldona. I hope you understand me. You will run the campaign. The block president with the block committee and the active members will run the campaign. You will decide what should be done. Even whatever resources are given by the PCC, you will decide how it will be spent. We are not going to spend the money in Aldona. You will decide how it should be spent and where it should be spent. I hope you are very clear, Ashwin. Now about candidate. 2-3 gentlemen asked me, who's your candidate? I wish I could say I am your candidate. But I can't say that. Nobody can say that. Nobody can say that. You will tell us who the candidate is. We're going to come back and ask you from the active members who are enrolled in that form, we're going to ask you to give us names of candidates. You may give us one name. Listen to me carefully. You may give us one name. You may give us 2 names. In rare cases, you may give us even 3 names. A candidate will be from you. You will suggest the names. And the AICC will select one among those candidates. Once that candidate is selected, since the name came from the active members, all of you must unite and work for that candidate. I hope you have your assurance. We will come back. We will come back, preferably on a day when it does not rain. We will come back and ask you to give us names of candidates. You will now, between now and that day, please start thinking among yourselves. Who can win Aldona? Who is the best candidate? Now, what is the criteria? There are 4 criteria. One is loyalty. You must give me names of people who will be totally loyal to the party. Number 2, integrity. Somebody who's got a good name, does not have a bad name. Not like this junior home minister in Delhi who's got a murder case against him and his son has now got a murder case against him. Give me people of integrity. Third, people who are acceptable to the workers. They must be acceptable to everybody. He must be acceptable. He must move around people. He must know everybody by name. He must know where he lives, what he does. Acceptability to the workers. And last, but not least important, winnability. He must win non-Congress votes also. Only Congress votes will not make a man win an election. He must be able to win the general vote also. So loyalty, integrity, acceptability to the workers, and winnability among the constituency. Keep these 4 criteria in mind. When we come back to you, please, in the meanwhile, knock your heads together, talk to each other, meet in church, meet in a temple, meet in the bazaar, meet in somebody's house, talk to each other, and come to some idea of what name or name should be suggested. But please take it from me, the candidate will be only from the names you suggest. Nobody will come from outside. If you don't suggest the candidate, we won't field the candidate, that's all. If you don't suggest the candidate, we are not going to field the candidate. We will leave it blank. So please make up your mind. This is your election. Party wins the election. Party workers win the election. Candidate does not win the election. Candidate gets the result of the election. The party wins the election. Dinesh Gundurao has contested 5 elections as MLA. Who wins the election? He alone cannot win an election. The party workers win the election. He gets the benefit of that result. Only one phase can be there. Party wins the election. So you will win the election in Aldona for us. You will win the Aldona seat for us. And you will win the Goa election for us. I said yesterday, whoever wins Goa wins Delhi. In 2007, we won Goa and Digambarji became the Chief Minister. 2009, we won the Delhi election. 2012, we lost Goa, we lost Delhi in 2014. 2017, we lost Goa, we lost Delhi in 2019. This time, we will win Goa in 2022 and we will win Delhi in 2022. So please cooperate with us. Please cooperate with us. Please begin to think in terms of elections, how to campaign, what kind of a campaign shall we have, what kind of posters, what kind of pamphlets, what kind of Aldona's problems we'll highlight, who should be our candidate. All this you must start thinking even now. And I've told Ashwin 300 active members is not sufficient. You must raise it to at least 400. He has told me he will increase it to 500. We will verify it. We are not going to accept his list just like that. We will independently verify whether these are active members. But let us assume we verify and come to the conclusion that 400 people are active members. We will come back and take from you the suggestions of how to run the election, how to win the election. Together, we shall win Aldona, we shall win Goa, and we shall win Delhi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.